Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my lecture video. Okay, so today's topic is how to resolve a force using triangle. Okay, so when we say a force, usually we will represent a force using this one, an arrow like this one. Okay, so let's say this arrow here or the force here has 100 Newton of force. Okay, so when we say we want to resolve a force, means that we want to break down the force into two direction, which is x direction or y direction. Okay, therefore resolve here means that, so this one here we have x direction, fx, and also we have y direction, fy. So we want to resolve this 100 Newton, 100 Newton to x direction and also y direction. How to do it? Usually in statics, they will give you two kinds of direction. The first one is triangle, the other one is angle. So today I will teach you on how to resolve it using a triangle. Let's say the question give you a triangle like this. They give you the direction of this 100 Newton here, represented by this triangle here. Let's say this one is 4, this one is 3, and this one is 5. Theorem Pythagoras, this one. How to calculate the force Fx and also Fy? The answer is very easy. So first, let's say we want to find Fx. You write down Fx. So what is the force that we want to resolve? Which is 100 Newton. So you write down 100 Newton. Let's change to the blue color. 100 Newton. Then what you need to do is that you need to multiply this 100 with something. So what is this something? So look at this one here. What is the value of this direction here? This one. 100 here. The value of this direction here is 5. This one 5. So therefore you write down 5. So here is 5. Next, what we want to find? We want to find Fx. So what is the direction that is parallel to this Fx? If you look closely here, the direction is 4. This one 4. So you just do 4 like this. That's it. So 100 multiplied by 4 divided by 5. So you will get 80 Newton. Simple. Very simple. How about Fy? Using the same method, the same principle here to calculate Fy here. So we do 100, because this is the force that we want to resolve. 100. So where is Fy? 100 multiply with, the direction of 100 is 5, this one 5 here. And what is the direction of Fy? Fy here, the direction is this one, 3. The same direction with Fy is this one, 3. So this one will be 3. That's it. Very easy. Very simple. So this one will be 60 Newton. So therefore, Fx is 80 Newton. Fy is 60 Newton. Easy. Let's try to do another question. So let's say we have a direction of the force is like this. This one, downwards. Downwards. And let's say we have the same triangle. This one. Let's say this one is 4, this one is 3, and of course this one will be 5, the direction. So to find Fy, this one, Fy here. Fy. Again, to calculate Fy here, we need to have this magnitude of the force here. I forgot to assume the force. let's say the force is 250. 250 Newton. Okay. How to calculate Fy? Using the same principle, Fy is equals to, first, the magnitude of the force that we want to resolve, which is 250, and then multiply with, okay, what is the direction of this force here? Okay, the same direction with this force is the value of 5. Okay, so therefore, below here is 5, and then the upper part here will be the same direction with Fy. Okay, the part that we want to find, Fy, same direction is number 4. So multiply with 4. Then you will get what? 250 multiplied with 4 divided by 5. What do you get? 200 Newton. Huh. Easy, yeah? Very, very easy. Okay? So, this is the basic concept on how to resolve a force when you are given a triangle. Okay? So, hopefully, this will help you a lot. Okay? You can use this method everywhere, anywhere, when you want to solve maybe string of material question, for example. Okay? You can still use this one. Okay? So, in the next lecture video, I will teach you on how to resolve a force when you are given an angle. Okay? So, see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.